Hello and welcome you to the video lecture classes of production technology. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In my previous videos already we completed up to chapter number 4. So as per your syllabus, your chapter number 5 is press work. Let's start that new chapter which is named as press work. So first of all, the definition. Press work may be defined as a chipless manufacturing process in which various components are made from the sheet metal. The machine which is used for press working is called a press. Press working operations are usually done at room temperature. Here in the slide also, press working may be defined as a manufacturing process by which various components are made from sheet metal. This process is also termed as a cold stamping. The machine used for press working is called a press. The general tool used in press are called as dies and punch. Let's discuss the definition of die. A die is that part of the press tool which has an opening or a cavity to receive the punch. The fitment area of the die, it is clamped on the bolster plate fitted on the table of the press and remain stationary. Generally, it is fitted as a lower member. Let's define punch. A punch is that part of the press tool which enters into the cavity formed in the die section. Let us discuss about the fitment area of the punch. The punch is usually the upper member of the press tool which is mounted on the lower end of the ram and slides with it. What are the material? Let us discuss about the material which is used for manufacturing of these dies. The punches and dies are generally made of high-speed steel. Then, types of dies. According to the types of operation, the dies are classified as follows. Number 1, classification based on operation performed. Number 2, classification based on construction. So, let us discuss about the classification which is based upon performance or operation performed. Basing upon this, the dies are again subdivided into shearing, bending, drawing and squeezing. And classification, according to the classification, or you can say that as per the construction, that dies are again classified into 5 types. Simple die, compound die, progressive die, combination die and rubber die. So, as per your syllabus, only simple die, compound die and progressive die is in the syllabus. So, here press operations are broadly classified into 2 groups. 1, cutting operations and non-cutting operation. That means forming operation. So here in this slide you can see, here it is written blanking, punching, notching, where we are applying the force beyond its fracture line, fracture point. So 2 types of operation, one is cutting and one is non-cutting. Non-cutting means we are just forming it. That means we are applying the force in between the between fracture and your plastic state. So, as per the operation, classification, working as per the operation is shearing, blanking, piercing, trimming, punching, notching, saving, embossing, stepping, etc. Although there are lots of operation which is left, but as per your syllabus, only you are having shearing, blanking, piercing and trimming. So let us discuss about the first operation which is named as your blanking operation. Blanking is the operation of cutting a flat shape from sheet metal, the product punched out is called the blank, and the required product of the operation, the hole and the metal left behind, is discarded as waste. So this is the definition of blanking. Let us discuss about the definition of punching or piercing. It is a cutting operation by which various shaped holes are made in sheet metal. Punching is similar to the blanking, except that in punching the hole is the desired product, the material punched out from the hole being considered as a waste. So this is the definition of blanking and punching operation. Let us discuss briefly about blanking operation. Blanking is a cutting operation in which a piece of sheet metal is removed from a large piece of stock by applying a great shearing force. The piece removed, called as the blank, is not scrap. That is a very important point. That is not a scrap. The blanking process requires the press, sheet metal stock, blanking punch and blanking die. The sheet metal stock is placed over the die in the blanking press. The die inserted of the having a cavity has a cutout in the shape of the desired part and must be custom made unless a standard shape is being formed. So this is all about your blanking operation. Here you can find in the slide, we are putting that is the workpiece, that is the punch, and this is the green color shows as the shape of the die. So when the punch is enter into this cavity, so one piece of this is the blank piece which is cut out from the parent metal. So it is considered as a blank. So this as a blank we get, so this operation is simply known as blanking operation. And here another point is that, important point is that is we are using, and the remaining sheet is a waste. So let us discuss about punching. In punching operation, the operation as per the operation is concerned, both blanking and punching are same, but the difference here, we are throwing this blank as a waste and by using this workpiece. So as per the operation both are same, but as per the use these are considered as a blanking and another one is punching. So let us discuss about the another two operations which is named as your trimming and shaving operations. First of all, we discuss about the operation which is named as trimming. This operation consists of a cutting unwanted excess of material from the periphery of a previous form component. So this is the definition of component. So here we are, if you see this slide here, the extra pieces, but this is the extra pieces which we excluded from this parent material. So as per the definition, this is the operation consists of cutting unwanted excess of material from the periphery of a previous form component. So let us discuss about the another operation which is named as shaving. The edges of a blank part are generally rough, uneven and unsquare. Accurate dimensions of the part are obtained by removing a thin strip of metal along the edges. So this is the definition which is called as your shaving operation. So here non-cutting, as if you consider these all the four whatever we discussed, these are goes under cutting operation. So let us discuss some another operations where we are not applying the which we are considered as a non-cutting operation, that these are bending, drawing, squeezing. So let us discuss about the definition of bending. In this operation, the material in the form of flat sheet or strip is uniformly strained around a linear axis which lies in the natural plane and perpendicular its lengthwise direction of the sheet metal. So here we are not applying the force beyond its fracture. So this is the operation what we in the perform in press work are basically of two types. One is your non-cutting operation, another one was the cutting operation. See, so this is all about your operation performed in press work. Thank you.